Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another full day of eating whatever I want. I would call it a cheat day, but I'm not really cheating on anything except maybe gluten. I will be eating a lot of gluten today. So I started today with the disappointing Dunkin' Donuts. It's got I got the peanut butter macchiato. The proportions look right this time. Last time I got one, it was a bummer. It's orange and it's cute. And then I also got donuts. I asked for their Halloween donuts. We'll see if that's what I actually got, because I kind of also said the word pumpkin, and so now I'm thinking that maybe she gave me the pumpkin donut. It's good. It's good this time. Okay. I don't think I got any napkins either. Yay, they are. Oh, she did give me pumpkin. Okay, well, I wanted like the jelly filled and everything, but this is fine. I do like their pumpkin donuts. Okay, let's see. I haven't had this jack-o'-lantern one. It looks like it's filled with vanilla cream. Yeah. Okay. They had the spider ones last year, so I think I did have that last year. It's just a regular donut with like a little, I'll show you. Yep. It's got the vanilla cream. So fun. Kind of wish I brought my water, because it's a lot of sugar. Okay. Next is the spider donut. So you see it's like a regular donut, and then this is just a chocolate munchkin. But I'm not mad about it. I really stuck it in there, huh? The chocolate munchkin tastes a little different than usual. Huh. These are a little bit dry. Kind of a bummer, but okay, next, just the pumpkin cake donut. This one's usually pretty good. They don't have, I don't think, they don't have the apple cider this year. I should have got something salty because it's a lot of sugar. I'm just not really a sugar person. Okay, this is gonna be my last one because I think 4 donuts, it's a good starting point, right? And the other ones just aren't really worth it to me, but this one is. It's the same. Okay. That's it for me. This is what I have left. Wasn't too shabby. You know, tasted like Dunkin' Donuts. Okay, next time I see you guys, I'm definitely gonna have something savory. And it might be relatively soon because that sugar's getting to me. Okay, I'm back. I went to this new bagel place that went viral on TikTok. So I'm gonna see if it's any good. I didn't get any of their like breakfast sandwiches. I just got bagels with different kinds of cream cheese. So let's see. This one is a Dorito. Okay, so I guess we'll try that. We also got it with the blazing ranch. Then the other one also got, what was this? A scallion? No, an onion. Oh, this is just the onion bagel with regular cream cheese. Okay. And then we got an egg bagel, and this has bacon and scallion cream cheese. So, okay. Let's see. Well, this one's in my lap, so I'll try this one. That's what the cross section looks like. They give you a good amount of cream cheese. It really just tastes like regular cream cheese. Like, you can see the bacon and the scallion in it, but you can't really taste it. Yes, you can, crackhead. Do you have COVID? No. This is not as strong as I thought it would be. But I also can't tell the difference between a Dr. Pepper and a Coke. Like, just normally. I do feel like I don't want all this cream cheese.
That's why I'm pouring in half.
I think the egg bagel is good though. Yeah, I'm definitely pretty sure that this is the Flamin' Hot, not the Doritos.
Yeah,
I'll try it anyway.
it's definitely the Cheeto one.
That's good. It's not at all spicy. The ranch, the blazing ranch, I thought would have been spicy, but not at all. Oh my God. This bagel will make a good sandwich. When I edit this, there's gonna be so much noise of you just wrestling with your paper. Okay. Regular onion bagel with regular cream cheese. This one smells really good. Way too much cream cheese in this one. Really slathered it on there. I like a healthy ratio. Cream cheese to bagel. I want to taste both. Both of them.
Lactose intolerance aside, this amount of cream cheese made me sick. We should have brought a Tupperware container and saved it for our bagels at home.
That's disgusting.
Huh?
My mouth is sore from chewing. This is nice coffee. It's okay. Alright, that's it for this bagel shop. I will see you guys at the next meal. Okay, we're back. This is my late lunch spread. So we went to the grocery store and my sister tried to get a few things, so I was like, why don't I just get like everything that I want for lunch while I'm here? So I got a bunch of stuff that I used to eat when I was a kid and also stuff that looked good. This passeroni specifically is something that I used to always eat as a kid, and I haven't had it in a very long time because it's not gluten-free. So this is probably what I'm most excited for. It's the angel hair garlic herb pasta. Oh, looks so good. We'll just get a nice little roll it on there. It's just as good as I remember. Okay. This all does not need to be here. That was for the vibe. Wow. Yeah. Can't believe we used to split this amongst like 3 people and that was our dinner. I'm just like, my mom thought that that was enough for us because this is a whole box. Wow. It's so good. I'm gonna try to get all cake, but they had it. So, okay, this is just. Okay, next, I'm gonna get into this very full bowl of, I'll just do this, yep, Reese's Puffs. Try to like get it down into the milk. Could I have gotten a bigger bowl? Yes. Did I? No. I could easily eat a whole box of Reese's Puffs in one sitting. Okay. Let's get some bacon. Try to make it extra crispy. That's good. This is honestly almost a full pack of bacon. I just fit what I could on the sheet pan, and it cooked down so much. Like there was only like 5 pieces left in the pack. It might have been a small pack. I'm not sure. I really wanted bacon this morning, but I didn't have any. So. Okay. Yeah, there's only a gluten. I don't drink milk, so. I think honestly, I'm gonna save the cake for later. Because I don't really want it right now. And I still have dinner. And then after dinner, I have to have dessert. You know? I love bacon. That bacon was so salty. It was a really good offset to everything sweet that I've had today. Okay. I want to save the cake for later. I will see you guys next time that I eat. Okay, guys, it's actually the next day. So this isn't really a full day of eating. It's like a full day and then like the next morning of eating because I fell asleep. And I didn't get to eat the cake, and I'm not gonna let it go to waste because I'm not gonna eat it again because it has gluten for a very long time and it would just go bad. So if you don't want this to count, you don't have to watch this part, but I haven't had breakfast yet, and cake for breakfast sounds pretty good to me. So this is an almond cake, and it's supposed to have, okay, it's supposed to have cream cheese flavored frosting. It's honestly really good. It's like a whipped cream cheese frosting, so it's not like heavy. It'd be really good with like raspberry or strawberry. Something tart. Ooh, lemon. Lemon would be good too. I'm a frosting lover, but I think there might be a little too much frosting. The ratio isn't great. Okay, that was necessary. It's a little bit top heavy. I regret doing the sugar thing again. I don't know why I don't learn. I really am just like more of a savory person. Okay, last bite and I'll have done half the cake. Which seems pretty good to me considering this is an 8-inch round. It's a lot of cake. All right, you guys. Thank you for sticking around if you stuck around to this point. Thank you for joining me on my cheat day. Please like and subscribe. I have other types of food eating videos on my channel if you guys want to go check those out. And I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye.